Okay, so we're going to move on. We're going to go to the concept review jigsaw. Everybody has a copy of the Star Spangled Banner. And this is actually where the jigsaw is going to come from. A jigsaw is a good way to help students really be engaged. It's another engagement activity. It's another group activity. Each student is going to have a part in this activity. Right now we have a group of four, and two groups of three. So the groups of three, one person's going to have two jobs. If you are an A, you need to have the paper that says first letter at the top. Like this, first letter. Oh, yes, your paper's over here in the corner. You're probably like, oh, yes, there's first letter. So whoever's A, so one person gets the first letter.
Okay.
A B gets last letter. C gets syllable. And D obviously gets the last one. And this is how it works. You are going to try to find some new vocabulary words in the Star Spangled Banner. You've already been studying it a little bit, so you have some background knowledge. What you are going to do is the first person's going to share their clue for number 1. So you're going to share your clue for number 1. Second person's going to share their clue for number 2. Third person for number 3, and for number 1 also. Everybody's A, B, C, and D is going to share for number 1. Then you're going to try to find your word. So go ahead and work on this and see if you can figure out all 10 words.
Okay, what's the second one? First letter is T. What's the last one? First letter is Twilight. Twilight. So what do you have for a synonym? Sunset. Okay. Twilight. Sunset. That starts with a what? Oh, that starts with a T.
Mm-hmm.
And ends with a T. Twilight.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's a good way to have everybody engaged in finding out new vocabulary words.
Bursting. Starts with an E.
It's a 3-syllable word.
Which one are you on?
Would it be this?
You're on number 3. It starts with the E.
But it has the G, E and G.
And it's bursting.
It's bursting.
Number.
No, I'm trying to.
Oh, it means bursting.
Oh.
Starts with
No, it's not gallant.
No, it's not.
It's because it started with E.
E and ends in G. The only E I see is early, and that ends maybe it's a Y instead of G. That doesn't mean
Oh.
Number 3.
Something is, yeah.
Isn't it supposed to be gleaming?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Gleaming. Maybe I switched.
No, maybe you just accidentally wrote an E when you might have wanted to.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Gleaming.
I don't know.
Okay.
I actually got this from another resource, so
Well, maybe we're not just looking at the word.
yeah.
Well, let's do number 4.
Okay.
We're not going to get that. What's number 4? 3-syllable.
What did you guys give for 3? Did you find it?
Skip that.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I got this from a different resource, so. So I don't know what happened to number 3. This was from our resource packet that we already had.
What is that?
About 2 more minutes, then we're going to go on.
Number 9 starts with an R. Ends with a T. 2 syllables. Walls of a fort. Rampart? No?
I think it's Rampart. Now you know how to do it. Oh, you know what? I have the answers. It is exploding. It's not even in there. I don't know. Yeah, this was our,
I have this in my toolbox, but now I know how to use it, but 3 is, I have to find a different word.
Number 9.
this is the B's. Whoever was B.
Does this word really start with
It is, but it's not in there. I didn't know this. I'm sorry, guys. Number 3, I found out, I looked up number 3. Number 3 is actually exploding, which is not even in there. But I got this from a different resource, so.
Bursting in air.
So number 1
Okay.
was dawn. Number 2 is twilight. 3 exploding. 4 perilous. 5 spangled. 6 gleaming. 7 streaming. 8 gallantly. 9 ramparts. And 10 broad. So, can you see how this is an engaging activity? Everybody has a part, everybody has an assignment. You're keeping everybody on track, and you're focusing on some new words. You're giving them a chance to find it in context, and then read the new text.